Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Resto-Rob. Today we're going to be working on a Bonney wrench. It's more of a Bonney pipe wrench. So it was entered into a competition with Evaporust. I didn't make it that far, but a lot of people had a lot of good entries and I had a good time doing it. So for the time being, sit back, relax, and watch how I restore this pipe wrench. Thank you. This is before Evaporust, and then this is after Evaporust. I'm using a razor blade to clean off some of the crud from the handle. Unfortunately, I forgot to hit record when I actually sanded the handle. I'm using my Dremel tool to grind off the rivet to disassemble the wrench further. You can see me popping the rivet out of the wrench. I'm drilling out the rivet that held the small piece of spring steel on the side of the wrench. Finally, off to the wire wheel. I'm using multiple grits of sandpaper with my orbital sander to get this nice and smooth. What in the world were they using this pipe wrench on to break the tip off like that? I'm hand sanding with 320 grit all the way up to 600 grit. Time to buff and polish. I'm bluing the adjustment nut. Time to reassemble the wrench. I use Scout Crafter Red as an accent. I friction fit a screw head into the original rivet. It seems to hold pretty well. I replaced the spring steel with a hacksaw blade and a nail as a rivet. This is what the wrench looked like before I started. And here's our finished wrench. Well, there you have it, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed how I restored this pipe wrench. Unfortunately, we found a few nicks and bumps, and I don't know if you can see the jaw very well, but see where they beat the hell out of it. It's not the prettiest thing, but for what it is, I enjoyed putting it together. So if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe. If you didn't, like and subscribe anyway. And I'll leave comments below. Follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust, and look for another restoration. Thank you.